Once upon a time, in a serene village nestled among rolling hills, there lived a group of talented dancers. These dancers were known for their grace, precision, and ability to captivate audiences with their performances. Among them was a young dancer named Maya, whose movements were especially enchanting. Maya possessed a deep sense of harmony and a keen understanding of the interconnectedness of all things. She believed that through her dance, she could convey the essence of unity and oneness. One day, while meditating in a tranquil grove, Maya had a vision of a dance that would exemplify this profound concept. Excitedly, Maya gathered her fellow dancers and shared her vision. They listened intently as she described a dance that would portray the interconnectedness of all beings. Each dancer would represent a different element of nature, and their movements would harmonize to create a mesmerizing spectacle. The dancers agreed to collaborate on this extraordinary endeavor. They spent days practicing, honing their skills, and striving to achieve a state of perfect unity. Finally, the day of the performance arrived, and the village gathered in anticipation. As the music began, Maya stepped onto the stage, her body flowing with grace. She represented the wind, her movements light and airy, as she weaved among her fellow dancers. The audience watched in awe as she seamlessly merged with the next dancer, who symbolized the flowing river. Together, they glided across the stage, their movements echoing the ebb and flow of life itself. The audience was spellbound, their hearts swelling with a sense of interconnectedness. As the dance progressed, the remaining dancers joined in, representing the earth, the fire, and the spirit of unity. Their movements became a symphony of motion, a tapestry of interconnectedness. Each step, each gesture, conveyed a profound message of oneness and harmony. The audience could feel the unity coursing through their veins, igniting a spark of understanding deep within their souls. As the dance came to a close, the audience erupted in thunderous applause, their spirits uplifted and their hearts full of gratitude. Maya and her fellow dancers had accomplished something extraordinary. Through their artistry, they had reminded everyone of the inherent unity that binds all beings together. From that day forward, Maya's dance became legendary, and her story spread far and wide. People would flock from distant lands to witness the magic of the Zen Dance of Unity. And as they watched, they would be reminded that despite their differences, they were all part of a vast and interconnected tapestry of life. And so, the village became a beacon of unity and understanding, a place where people from all walks of life would come together to celebrate the beauty of oneness. Maya's legacy lived on, inspiring generations to dance in harmony and embrace the interconnectedness of all beings.